स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बडी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से कोर्सेज देखने वाले गाइस, और आज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से गाइस साइबर सिक्योरिटी का फ्री कोर्स दिया जा रहा है। तो जो भी गाइस, जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हो या जो भी गाइस एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, वो लोग को अगर साइबर सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम करना है जो कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का है, तो वो डायरेक्टली एनरोल कर सकते हैं इस प्रोग्राम के लिए गाइस। ठीक है, तो वीडियो को आखिर तक देखना गाइस, तभी आपको समझ आएगा कैसे क्या एनरोलमेंट करना है। प्लस अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना, जिससे आपका कोई भी अपडेट मिस नहीं होगा गाइस। ठीक है, let me share my screen. So friends, here you can see this is the official website of government, in which the government of India, which is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, presents the generic online training course in cyber security. Okay, so if you go to the objective of this cyber security, the cyber security hygiene web-based self-learning is to make the learner understand and follow the best practices to reduce the cyber risk, which can be result of users behavior in cyberspace. Okay, so you can see easily this course has been designed to protect the different laws and all, plus ignorance or simple negligence when using computers, mobiles, or any digital device guys. Okay, after that we can see there are basically three modules in this self-learning course guys. Okay, so first module will be cyber hygiene practices of personal digital devices. Second one will be cyber hygiene practices for home, and third one will be cyber hygiene practices for remote working and learning guys. Okay, so these are the basically three self-learning courses in which basically you can say the modules in which this course has been covered. Okay, now if we talk about what all things we will be learning in this course, so you will be learning a cyber crime reporting portal, Hyderabad Police, CERTIN, Microsoft incident reporting. Then if we talk about concepts, so we have cyber laws, malware alerts, reports abuse, participating institutes, resources center, cyber crime cells. Then if we talk about activities, so we have events, news, master trainers, radio programs, TV program, mobile app, newsletter, ebooks. Okay, then we have contest. Different contests will be there in which MCQ questions, quiz, crossword, drawings, and paintings are there. Okay, then we have different downloads, which is alerts, magazines, brochures, cartoons. Then we have what all things, handbooks, and many more things. Okay, and lastly we have some important links about the about us, context of each and everything will be provided to you. Okay, so if you are interested for this program, anyone can apply in this cyber security course guys. Okay, so you first need to click on login. After clicking on login, you can see if you have already an account, you can just log in your email ID and mobile password and just log in the portal. Otherwise, if you don't have account, you just need to click on this register here. Okay, after clicking on this, you can see the proper format will be there, which is full name, email ID, mobile number, password, confirm password, state, are you a part of government? So if you are a, then you can write yes. If you are not, so just write no. That's it. Okay, after filling each and every details, then you need to fill like ministry. If you are looking, if you are a part of government, then you can select central, and then you can choose the ministry also. If you are a state, then you can choose state also, and there you can see department or not. Okay, after submitting the basic details, just you need to submit, and this free certification cyber security will be updated in your mail ID itself. Okay guys, so those who are interested, they can directly enroll in this program, guys. If you have any doubts or anything like that, you can just message me in a comment box. I will try to resolve that also. See you guys in next video. Goodbye, guys. Take care. Bye bye.